To simply dismiss this incident as shameful would amount to doing injustice to the man who faced it. That's because incidents like these need to be condemned loud enough for everyone to hear. When ministers and politicians try to hog the limelight and usurp the credit actually due to those who quietly toil in the shadows. This is what happened to the man who coached world wrestling champion Sushil Kumar. The man whose sports minister MS Gill tried to move out, physically out of the camera frame, was Dronacharya awardee Satpal Singh.
It was meant to be a celebration of Sushil Kumar's victory. But the sports minister too decided to share the spoils and grab the limelight, literally pushing aside the wrestling champ's coach, mentor and guru Satpal Singh in the bargain. Look closely as Gill gestures rudely to the coaches and then tells them to step aside. Then he goes ahead and even snatches Sushil Kumar's medal. But he doesn't stop there, telling all of them to move away from the cameras. Satpal also moves back, but is visibly upset at the treatment. But even after Gill had had his share of photos with the champ, the insult continued. Gill gesturing to the coach in the most condescending manner. Naturally, the insult has upset the wrestling champ.
जो गुरु की जो एकदम रिक्वेस्ट मतलब सम्मान नहीं होता, जहाँ तो खुद शिष्य को भी ऐसा फील होता है एकदम कि भाई गलत हुआ है.
But the sports minister's response to the attitude towards a world champion's coach was almost as bad. Gill, arrogant, defiant when we asked him about the insult.
कुछ नहीं कहा. नाराज थे इस बात से कि आपने उनके कोच को बिल्कुल अलग-थलग कर दिया.
नहीं वो अलग वो जो I don't have to answer you. Thank you.
The coach in turn not saying much, but the fact that he is hurt is evident in this response.
खेल मंत्री का रवैया कहीं खेल को बिगाड़ तो नहीं रहा?
नहीं, मैं इस बारे में कुछ नहीं कहूँगा, ये तो आप उनसे पूछो, पर हमारा काम है जो हम देश के लिए कर रहे हैं और मैं उससे संतुष्ट हूँ.
However, the insult of Sushil Kumar's coach Satpal by Sports Minister MS Gill has left the sports fraternity surprised and visibly upset.
Well, you got to respect coach and the player as well, because for a player I think to succeed coach plays an important role.
सतपाल जी के लिए कोई इतनी बड़ी बात नहीं थी, खुद इतने अच्छे रेसलर रहे हैं, एक देश की शान रहे हैं ऑलरेडी, तो उनको एक ये जो करना है हमारे खेल मंत्री महोदय का, उनको इस बारे में सोचना चाहिए.
The insult to the world champ's coach leaving a bitter taste, prompting us to ask, shouldn't the sports minister apologize? And isn't it time for politicians to stop hogging the limelight for each sporting success?
कुछ नहीं कहा. नाराज थे इस बात से कि आपने उनके कोच को बिल्कुल अलग-थलग कर दिया.
नहीं वो अलग वो जो I don't have to answer you. Thank you.
The sports minister's insult and then the defiance, a classic case of high-handedness by our netas. With Prema Sridevi and Radhika Tongar, Rupali Mehra for Times Now.
How can the minister say he doesn't have to answer that question?